Okay, so again, step number one. What is step number one? Who've already been watching my videos, guys? What is step number one? Step number one is we need to skim and scan the question, right? Have you started by doing that? What is skimming and scanning? Looking for the most repeated word. Okay, in this case, as we can see that this passage mostly looks about it's about psychology. As you can see, the word has been repeated a couple of times. Okay, now let's start reading it. Psychology as a subject of study has largely developed in the West since the late 19th century. During this period, there has been an emphasis on scientific thinking. Because of this emphasis, there have been many scientific studies in psychology which dash different aspects of human nature. Which dash different aspects of human nature? A bit hard to guess. Let's have a look. Which investigates, which are exploring. No, it is not in the continuous form. Which explore could be. A verb is missing for sure, but I don't think it is a verb in the ing form. Which examines. No, you're not examining anything because you're trying to understand the human nature. So it's either explore or it's either investigates. Okay. Which investigates. Let's read through this first. Because of this emphasis, there have been many scientific studies in psychology which investigates. Now, investigation is done by someone. You're trying to understand. Investigation simply means you're trying to dig deep down and find the information. Explore is you're just trying to discover and understand. So I'll go with explore because the different aspects of human nature are not yet understood. These include how biology influence human experience and how people use their dash, touch, taste, smell, sight, and hearing. Yes, this is interesting. This should be a good hint to you. What are these? Touch, taste, smell, sight, and hearing. What are these referred to as? Okay, they are referred to as senses. So this should be the right answer. There you go. The five senses, right? Now, moving forward. Get to know the world, how people develop, why people behave in certain ways, and how memory works, how people develop language, how people dash and think about the world, what motivates people, why people have emotions, and how personality develops. So this is a lot of questions in there. So let's have a look. What do you reckon? How people dash and think about the world. How people. It is not in the continuous form, so I'm going to remove understanding and seeing because this sentence isn't in the continuous form. It's not in the past either, so the best one is understand and think about the world. So I'll go with this because it makes sense because it's a verb in the first form, right? Okay, these scientific dash all contribute to an understanding of human nature. These scientific dash, okay, I see a hint over here. Now, if you look at this hint, all, it basically refers to something in the plural form. So I think that the answer of this blank should be something in the plural form. These scientific research, no. Conducting would definitely not make any sense. Examination also no. I'll go with investigations. As I've said, it should be in the plural form. Okay, let's confirm this and let's see if it is right or wrong. But before that, I'll just need to move my writing from the screen and let's check all of this. So let's check and confirm. There you go. So it is all right. And remember one thing, collocations depends on how you're reading the questions. There is no shortcut to that, okay? Good luck with that.